After months grinding the Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4 on my PU Prime Cent account, turning $20,000 into $29,000 plus with 63% monthly pops on indices like US 30, I finally get the hype. One Telegram trader just messaged me his 44% absolute gain screenshot, all from the same Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4 dodging news volatility like a champ. I've ditched flaky bots for this one's algo smarts. Sharing my tested take today, let's dive. Alright, the zip folder, Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4, extracts in a snap via WinRAR, spilling out the EX4 file, set file, and no fuss manual. I copied the X4 to MT4's experts, refreshed, loaded the Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4 on US 30H1, hit the set file, and it was scanning trades instantly. Zero glitches, pure simplicity. My FX book's the proof. Verified on PU Prime at 1 to 500 leverage. Started November 2025 with $20,000 deposits. Now $29,560 balance after $9,104 profit. No withdrawals, hitting plus 63.21% total gain, and plus 44.51% absolute. Daily 4.55%. Monthly 63.21%. Equity curve steady upward with minimal flats. Win rate 75%. 415 longs, 554. 338 shorts, 449. Wait, 889 trades total. So 75% greens overall. Killer for indices scalps. Average win 247 pips. $34.87. Losses at minus 686 pips. $62.60 via the Stock Indices EA version, 4.0 MT4's news filter, and real-time risk caps that avoid blowups. Profit factor 1.71 nets $1.71 per dollar risked. Expectancy minus 5.6 pips, minus $1.24 on losers, but positive EV from winners. Sharp 0.13 for calm rides. Z-score 99% clean. Drawdown max 7.12% absolute. Risk of ruin 0.6%. Held under 5% in November chop. Net pips minus 4,947 over 889 trades. Commission $0 on my setup. Average hold 2 hours 34 minutes for quick H1 entries. October bar 20%. Forecast to $100,000 plus in 10 years. After manual index trading headaches, the Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4's custom filter feels like a volatility shield. Reliable edges building fast. Okay, let's go to the backtesting part. Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4 on every tick September. 2025 data made $4,306 net on $10,000 start, 66% win rate. Max drawdown 23% relative. Profit factor 1.75. Aligns tight with live, no funny numbers. So, the Stock Indices EA v4.0 MT4's locked in as my indices powerhouse after long hauls. Smart, steady profits. This bot's ready on our website. Description covers all with instant download. Join our Telegram group for signals and tweaks too. Link below. Trade sharp.